Welcome back everyone to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get Spotlight search on Windows OS like in Mac. So there's going to be two links in the description. I want you to go to the first one. It's going to be called github.com/Microsoft/PowerToys/releases. And if you watched my last video on the bloat Windows 10, you'll recognize this software. It's made by Microsoft. It's a really great software that has a lot of different things you can do with it. So once you go to this link, I want you to scroll down until you see the PowerToys.setup.exe. I want you to save that to your desktop. Now before you go and be like, oh, I know what to do now, blah blah blah, and run that exe file, before you do that, I want to make sure go to the second link in the description, .net.microsoft.com/download/.net/3.1/one-time. That is a lot to say. And I want you to press download x64 on the run desktop apps and just go through that installer. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to follow through. If you guys have problems with that, let me know. And I want you to click on the PowerToys exe. It's going to install. You're going to press next. You're going to press next. You're going to create a shortcut on the desktop. And you're going to make sure it automatically starts on logon. You're going to press next. Install. It's going to ask you to make changes to your device. You're going to press yes because this is not a virus. This is made by Microsoft itself, even though Windows is a virus because it sucks. Press finish, and then it's going to be the preview right here. So you're going to press on this, and once this does load, it's going to have tons and tons of different options that you can choose from. Awake, this will keep your awake on demand. Color picker, I had this on my main PC, and I'm pretty sure there's a way to make your programs automatically snap to where they were when you shut off your computer. It's a really great feature. But the thing we're going to be worrying about today is the PowerToys run. So if you just press the button enable PowerToys run, make sure this is on, and this is going to be the shortcut that's going to basically work. So if you just press Alt space, as you can see, you have Spotlight search. So if we search up, for example, let's do our browser Opera, and there is Opera. It's a pretty good thing. You can also change the shortcut if you want. So for example, if I want Alt Shift, if it works, Alt Shift, it's not going to work, but I'm pretty sure you can change it. If you do Alt space, we will get back to the Spotlight search. So for example, we want to do File Explorer, and what I want you guys to do to make sure that you're getting the most results, I want you to press on your Windows icon. I want you to press up Windows Search Settings, and where it says Classic, I'm going to change it to Enhanced. This is going to search your entire PC, so nothing is missing from the search. So for example, I'm pretty sure I do have Discord on this virtual machine. I don't know if I do. Yeah, so Discord, you can also open it in your browser. Press OK, and then it's a really neat software that is a great thing. There's many different other sort of options you can do. There's Awake, Color Picker, Fancy Zones, File Explorer add-ons, Image Resizer, Keyboard Manager. I would just go through and see what they do. Learn more about all these different things. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.